We're going to jack up this tire. So we're just going to put blocks of wood in front of the other tires so the car doesn't roll. Put parking brake on. Just going to get the jack started. So let's see where that is. There's a little ridge that you put the jack on. All right, now they're all loose. Take off the lug nuts. Now, got the tire loose. Pull it out. Now time to put the tire back on. Let's get one of these up. Now when you tighten these up, you're going to want to kind of just go in the star pattern. You don't want to tighten any one side more than the other before you're ready. So once you start turning the tire, when you're tightening this up, you're at the point where you can lower the jack so this is in contact with the ground. Once the tire is in contact with the ground, you can tighten it up the rest of the way. Those lug nuts are 13/16 inch. And if you want to get more leverage, you can always use your foot to really tighten things up. Again, just tighten up one last time in that star pattern. Good. So now all we have to do is take the jack out. Just need to take out the block of wood. And take off the parking brake.